All right, I gave you a cardstock piece with this, and I just want you you can use this on the test and everything else just to remind you. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do in every problem is look and see if there's something you can take out to make the number smaller. Because like I showed you on that one, you're either going to have to take it out at the beginning or take it out at the end. It's probably easier to take it out at the beginning and make numbers smaller. So if this thing has two terms, okay, so I just gave you this little cardstock so you could write on it and use it. Then you're looking for difference of squares. Well, this is difference of squares, so it's x minus 8, x plus 8. Okay, this is not difference of squares, but I can take out a GCF. I can take out a 2n. When I take out a 2n, I'm left with a 9m squared minus n squared. That is difference of squares, 3m minus n, 3m plus n. Remember, it has to have a minus sign. So if it's two terms, it can only be a difference of squares, and that has to be a minus. If it's a plus, it doesn't work. Okay? All right, if it's three terms, you have, you basically have one way. I took out the slip and slide, so we're going to cross this out. I wish I should have edited it. Okay, we're not going to do the slip and slide. We're going to do these two things right here. So if I do this, I would do factors of a negative 42 that add up to negative 1. That's a negative 7 and 6. And I'm going to put those into the middle. 7x plus 6x minus 42. And so here I can take out an x, and here I can take out a 6. So I get x minus 7 and x plus 6. Okay? Then you got to look on that next one. You can take out a GCF. You can take out a 2. And that will make your numbers smaller. Okay, so I'm looking for factors of 25 that add up to 10, and I'm going to bring the 2 down. That's going to be on my final answer. So when I do that, 25 that add up to 10, aren't those 5 and 5? So w squared plus 5w plus 5w plus 5. What, 25, sorry. What can I take out of the front ones? A w. What can I take out of the back ones? A 5. So my answer is w plus 5 and w plus 5. Okay, I didn't teach you the slip and slide method. We are going to look and first see, can you take something out of there? Yes, they are all divisible by 3. Because right now I would have to do factors of 180. But if I take out a 3, I only have to do factors of 20. So I made it go from 180 to 20 because I know factors of 20. So this 3 is going to come down, and it's going to be in my final answer. And now I'm just going to do the inside, and I'm going to ignore the 3. So factors of 20 that add up to a negative 9, that's a negative 4 and a negative 5. So that goes in the middle. What can I take out of the front two? A 2x. And in the back, I need a positive 5x, but right now I have a negative. So I'm going to take out a negative 1. So I get what's inside and what's in front. And I don't have to do any extra steps with that. It's just done. Okay? All right. So then the last one is when it's 4 terms. Okay, so now I'm looking over here at 4 terms. 4 terms is basically like what we just did with the trinomial, except I don't have to make a table. It's already set up for me. So what can I take out of the front 2? An a squared. That leaves me with a 2a minus b. What can I take out of the last 2? I can take out, I need a 2a, so I can take out a 5. That would leave me with a 2a minus b. So my answer is what is inside the parentheses and what is out front. So this is my methods of factoring. So you have that little cheat sheet if you need it.